Hi, my name is Ben Manlongat. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer of Actemium Detroit.
My name is Marcus Mielke. I'm the General Manager here at Actemium in Toronto.
Actemium in North America serves automotive, food and bev, pharma, brewing, bakeries, OEM support, pulp and paper, oil and gas, consumer products, packaging and material handling, energy, and logistics.
It can be quite a range of items that customers come to us to help solve. Primarily, our focus is in the controls, automation, MES, and network applications. So that's a pretty broad range of requirements that companies are coming to us for. And in this case, I'm speaking specifically about our business unit. But the beauty of the Actemium setup is we have multiple business units across North America.
Actemium in North America, we set ourselves apart because we are a local business unit with global representation. So all of our business units in North America, there's 8 of them, we all have that local support mindset where we can take care of customers with their full life cycle. Not many companies can do this. So we help customers with advising, designing, build, and maintain. But not only do you have the local support from your local Actemium business unit, you have the expertise of 80,000 employees, 400 business units all over the world.
We operate locally, which is very important. So we have a local presence with our customers. We can support them locally, bring expertise to their plants and production facilities very easily, but we have a global approach to how we do things, which means, Actemium has almost 400 business units around the world. And as you can imagine, each one of those business units has a slightly different take on what they're delivering to the industry and the industries that we're serving.
Clients who choose to work with Actemium, they're looking for a company that can team up with them, they can help them from start to finish. Historically in the past, a lot of customers would kind of develop what they're looking for internally, they'd kind of do things on their own, and then they'd reach out to systems integrators to kind of fulfill what they've already planned. But more recently, a lot of customers are seeing the benefit of working with a systems integrator from the beginning of the project, even before the project even starts. So for us, we like to be a part of with the customer from the beginning, where we help advise, design, build, and maintain the customer's solutions, and really have that full life cycle relationship with that customer.